I need to forget it and I need to move forward.
This week's meal plan included peanut butter toast and hard-boiled eggs for breakfast, clementines for a morning snack, Rice Krispie treats and Buffalo Ranch trail mix for an afternoon snack. And lunches and dinners were Skinny Taste picadillo with a 1/4 cup rice and quick slaw, and Skinny Taste turkey meatloaf.
When I was scheduling out the week, I kind of knew that this was going to be a bad week because I had a few things going on. So Thursday we were going to have Chipotle for lunch at work to celebrate a coworker's birthday. Friday and Saturday, I actually took Friday off from work because the state dance team tournament was this weekend. Friday was jazz day, Saturday was high kick day. If anyone knows any event venue in general, there really isn't much as far as healthy choices goes. So I knew going in that Friday and Saturday for sure I would be going over calories. I just told myself that I need to at least count it and put it into my Lose It app just to make sure that I'm not letting myself completely go off track. I still need to be aware of what I'm eating.
This week's workout plan is Tone It Up's new program, Toned Mind, Toned Body, along with 2 workout classes, Zumba on Thursday and Master Step on Saturday. Confession time. I really just want to go home and lay on the couch and just eat. I got really tired all of a sudden this afternoon. This sucks. This really sucks.
As far as working out, Monday was the only day I worked out. But that was it for the week. Usually like the week before my period, I have a hard time sleeping. I get really restless and I wake up multiple times in the night, and it's the week before my period, so I didn't have much sleep. I was crabby, I was in a mood, and I know that's not an excuse, and I know that's why I'm overweight, because I eat when I'm bored or any sort of emotion I eat. Also, it was really cold this week. The wind chills were -35. So obviously I didn't take the dog for a walk on Wednesday or Thursday because it was still really cold, -25 on Thursday. And then Friday I didn't have time because I went to the tournament. Saturday I didn't have time again because of the tournament. That's kind of what happened this week in a nutshell. I do have a plan for next week, so I'm just erasing this week out of existence. It obviously happened and I'm acknowledging that. However, I need to forget it and I need to move forward. I can't let this domino into the next week and the next week and the next week. Really, the weight that I gained wasn't that much considering how off this week was. So I'm happy about that. I'm grateful for that. And next week is a new week. So make sure you come check out my channel next Friday to see what happened. But you'll have to make sure you come back to see how well I did. With that, I am going to sign off and I will see you next week. Bye.